just leave it. Alright, so, and inequalities. When you solve them, do the graphs overlap or do they go opposite ways?
Opposite ways. Overlap.
Look at your notes. Get out your notebook. So look at your notes from yesterday and the graphs we did. Do the graphs overlap or do they go opposite ways?
Both.
They overlap. Look, we look at our graphs. They connect. They overlap. We look at our notes. It says that the graph, the and statements will always overlap. If it does not overlap, it has what? No solutions. So you should be able to read your notes and tell me this. I'm not asking for you to repeat pi to me. Get it together. Did anybody solve D last night for homework? All right, what did you do first, Mackenzie? I can't hear you. Okay, awesome. She subtracted, we put that on low. Subtracted 7 from all three sides. Do we agree or disagree?
Agree.
Yes. Oh, okay. Hang on, let me finish writing down. Do I flip my signs?
Nope.
No, they stay the same.
Yeah, they stay the same.
All right, so 22 minus 7 is what? Are you sure?
No.
15. And negative 5 minus 7 is what?
Negative 12.
Can anybody tell me why we did not subtract 7 from the 3p?
Both of them were in between the signs.
And what's another, Alexia, what did you say? They're not like terms. Fantastic. So both of them are in between the inequality signs, and they're not like terms. Now, Damien, can you tell me what to do next? Divide by what? Where? On all sides, correct? Awesome. Fantastic. Do we agree or disagree? Do I flip my signs? Why? Why do I not flip my signs?
There's no negative.
I didn't divide by a negative. Fantastic. All right, what's 15 divided by 3? What's negative 12 divided by 3? All right, do we agree or disagree? All right, what else do we have to do?
Graph.
We have to graph it. So we have to do the number line. Fantastic. So what numbers do I need to have on my number line?
Through 6.
All right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I also need to have negatives on here?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because there's no negative.
There's a negative answer. Awesome. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5.
You didn't make it.
I didn't make it where?
I'm just kidding.
Oh. Okay, so looking at this, remember we can rewrite it or we can just read it like this. So that says that P is greater than or equal to negative 4. So am I going to do open or closed circle on negative 4? Why? Because it's got a line under it? Okay. Am I going to do an open or closed circle on 5?
Open.
Why do you say open? Do you say that because we did a closed on the negative?
Yep.
Now remember, when we're doing our open and closed, we look here. So if this has a line under it, what kind of circle do we have? Which one? Are you sure? Are you positive? So what kind of circle should we have on 5? Okay. Equal to. And that's why we close it, because it's part of our solution. Alright, now, P is in the middle, so that means you're going to shade in the middle. If P is in the middle, shade in the middle. Boom. How many of you got that whole thing correct? Awesome. Hey, that's so much better than we have been doing. Good job, guys. You didn't do your homework. I mean last night, not right now while I did it. All right, do we need to do one more, or are you guys ready for or?
Or.
We're ready?
Or.
Okay, so let's look right here.
Oh. Be quiet, Christian.
Or inequalities. So and means that it can be greater than something and less than something. Or, that means it's both. So or is one or the other.
Yes.
So or means one or the other. So, don't know what that was. Or statements will always have a solution. Only one of the two inequalities have to be true for there to be a solution.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. So our example here is x is greater than or equal to 6 or x is less than 2. So you can pick one that satisfies either of those, or it could be both. Now our graphs look a little different on or inequalities. Now when we did and, our case 1, they overlapped, correct? And they ended at each other. Do you see how they ended at each other? These overlap, but do they end? Nope. So they keep going. It looks like that, with a dot in the middle. So that's the first one. Now, case 2, what's happening on our inequalities here? One's longer than the other, so do they overlap? Are these both going the same way? Are they... They're both going the same direction, so it would just look like this. That's okay. I understand where you were confused on that one, so don't worry. So far, we can go opposite ways touching. We can overlap, which was the same as and. It'll just say or in between. Or, did these guys overlap right here? Nope. So it would look like this. And they don't touch. It's magic. It is really. I appreciate on some of your surveys that you're being very positive about things we do in class, and then one person said it's not exciting.
Kick him
I
out.
don't know what much more I can do besides stand on my head and teach, so, and I'm not doing that.
I didn't get to take one, but you know I was saying something that nice guard.
Did you see what I saw?
I don't even know what words you just said.
You keep on doing that.
At least you're awake today.
The joke I made about the 3 months of 2 years.
Yeah, I like that. All right. Draw a number line. So we are going to draw this example so that we can see what an OR inequality looks like. You're so weird.
He just keeps opening and closing it.
To see if there's anything else in there. Like it's a magic drawer.
Like he opens it and looks and then puts it back, and then he opens it again to see if there's no more.
I need to close it right. It's following.
Are we ready? Are we
No.
ready?
I'll make you laugh.
Alright, so our first one says that x is greater than or equal to 6. So are we going to have an open or closed circle on 6?
Close.
Closed, because it's got a line under it. Are we going to shade to the left or to the right? Just looking at this guy.
Right.
To the right. It points to the right. Remember, greater than goes to the right. And then, or x is less than 2. So we're going to put an open or closed circle on 2.
Open.
To the left or to the right?
No.
Because it's
Left.
flipping. Boom, you're done. So, does this graph look like case 1, 2, or 3? Number 3. Awesome. Did you say no?
I thought you were going to say it did look like 1 or 2.
Okay. Are y'all ready for some? We don't flip it. This one goes opposite directions. Are we ready for some examples? All right, my and compound inequalities were in blue, so my or is going to be in this fuchsia color.
What color?
You're getting a Snapchat from somebody.
Girl? On a group chat?
I don't know, but I'm going to Snapchat them back and say that you're in math class and can't talk right now.
Do it! That's what Coach Elliston did to me.
It is a girl. How do I snap these people? What do I do?
Oh, Lord.
Who got your
I don't know how to.
Take a picture of yourself.
Busy, go away.
Man, don't do it.
That's my
Break
friend.
away. She gonna break away.
Is that Angie stuff?
Oh, so you letting another girl see your phone there? Okay.
We're in math class. He can't respond right now because we're in math class. Because it's before 3 o'clock in the day. We're in math class.
Taylor? Campbell? He's sick. I texted one of my friends in class and Coach Elliston, and he's like, Manny, why are you texting during school?
I got one of my kids' phone and sent a picture of myself on it because he didn't believe that it was the teacher and we were in math class. Right. All right, Tater Tot. So, example 2, and that's going to be on our video. How exciting is that? Solve and graph each compound inequality. So we're doing OR this time.
I'm gonna save that video.
Or.
I better go look for kids right now.
I bet he's just laughing.
All right, our first one we're going to do easy
Miss
peasy.
me with that.
Y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 7.
Yes.
Or y plus 3 is less than negative 1.
Yes. I think I know how to solve this. Never mind.
Now, do you think that just because it says or, that means you get to pick one? No, that's not what it means. We don't pick one. You still have to do both. The graph is just an or. So still work out both of them. Are you ready?
Oh my gosh.
Do we need another minute?
Nope. Hey, you're not on there. You bought it for a reason.
We do solve both of them. We will do them together. Don't worry. Just finish writing.
I got one.
Are we ready now? Are y'all working this out?
Nope.
Oh, okay. So are we done writing at least this so we can work it out together? All right, so first solve the one on the left. How would we solve this? Add 1 here, add 1 here. Boom. Why are there 2?
I knew it.
Oh.
I was doing
So
it.
then you have y is greater than or equal to 8. Or, how would we solve this one over
Subtract
here?
3.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Should be
Fantastic.
excited.
I'm glad you're excited. Hey, he's doing math. Stop. No, you were saying Manny. Stop. Do you need to go out? Alright, what is negative 1 minus 3? Negative 4.
Negative 4. Yay.
Now, we solved it. What's our next step?
Graph.
Fantastic.
Call you, Nick.
Alright, draw your number line. Are you doing this? You're not even doing this problem. Come on, Tater.
At least I'm helping.
I know, but you still need to be doing the problem. I know, the nerve of me.
I'm just kidding.
Miss Asbury?
Yes.
Hey, can you send Cameron Walker to the attendance window for a minute?
Yes.
Thank you.
No, dude. I do it.
Oh, it's a little inside, you know, because you got to work out here. So,
Okay.
you just go to
Right. Okay, so on 8, are we going to have an open or a closed circle?
Oh, close.
Somebody besides Manny answer me. So, baby, you whisper at me. But then I can't hear you. 'Cause you're... Oh, okay, I'm sorry. All right, are we going to shade to the left or to the right?
right.
On this one.
Left.
Open.
Open.
That's it.
Open circle, and then to the left or to the right?
Right.
Left. Left.
Oh my God, left.
That reminds me of a video when a guy, they were playing.
It reminds me of this time in math class when we didn't have any interruptions.
How am I?
All right, so is this a case 1, case 2, or case 3?
Case
Case 3! Fantastic. So, just because it's an or, that does not mean that you get to pick one. You still have to do both. So, can one of you please tell me a number that is greater than or equal to 8 or less than -4?
2.
Damien?
What's that question?
I want it to be greater than or equal to 8 or less than -4.
4.5.
Is 6 greater than or equal to 8? Is it less than -4?
Yep.
No.
6 is less.
Oh, no.
So
Oh, 9.
9 works. Awesome. What's another one? Henry got that, not you, Tater. Tell me another one.
10.
Tell me one on the negative side.
Negative 10.
10. Negative 9.
Fantastic. All right, let's do another one.
Bro, he's copying me.
B as in boy. Yes, ma'am.
No, we don't.
Probably gonna have 17 problems.
Did you say you could figure it out before you?
Yes.
I'm not coming tomorrow.
Do y'all want to do this together or separate? Okay.
Separate.
Try it without me.
Separate.
Do you pick one or do both? We'll do this part together. Alright, so hopefully you have solved it by now. On the first one, you added 2 to both sides. And you got 4m is less than or equal to 24. Sit now.
I am.
Then divide by 4. And you got m is less than or equal to 6. Who got that part right? Woo! Good job.
Yay.
All right, now from here, we need to move this 5. How would we move that positive 5? Subtract it.
Subtract it.
Stop. We're having class. Don't go across the classroom. All right, and then what do we do from here? Divide by -3. So do we flip our sign this time? Yes. Oh, this is a great problem. All right, so now, on your graph, both of our answers are what?
Facing opposite. Equal to. 6.
6, okay. And they're going opposite directions. So this is what our graph's going to look like.
Yep. What? Oh, I thought one was negative still.
Well, they're both positive. Now, we're going to have a closed circle, correct? Well, both of our answers are 6, so we just need 1. Now, this says that m is less than or equal to 6. So what way is less than? To the left. Alright, and this one says, or m is greater than or equal to 6. Which one's that? Boom, we're done. Is that case 1, 2, or 3?
2.
It's 1.
Is it possible if both, you know how the signs, could they go one way and still be equal?
Yes. hmm
Or maybe we don't know.
No, we're going to do one more problem, then homework. Una más, and then homework.
You know what that reminds me of? Of those little like juicy drop pop things, and they always like when they drop them, they're like uno mas.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Oh.
Tears.
Are you better now? Oh, it's a backwards L. Look, it's like this.
I can't believe you trusted us with your phone.
I don't have that stuff on my phone. Alright, C. Real quick, C, and then we are getting homework. Get excited.
No.
Yes, excitement.
No. Where's my hat? Oh. Oh, my finger.
Watch out for what's in front of that Y.
Negative.
Because you gotta watch out for it. She's so funny. Ooh, I feel the need to challenge y'all for homework.
No.
Yes, don't be lazy.
You know, we're good.
You'll still be in my other class, and they still have problems to do. Aha, joke's on you.
That's not, oh, you gotta give it to me the other thing, so that's gonna be like a pen.
No, that's not how it works.
Like, it's with an apple, I can't lift it in the other.
Again, that's not how it works. Eat beans.
Oh, not that type of yes.
Yes. Alright, C's right now, D's homework. Go. C is right now, D is homework. Yes. D.
Oh,
Can I do both of them for homework?
No, right now. Go.
Rapido.
Rapido. Rapido.
You sound like you're saying rapido. What was your favorite school year? What grade? High school.
Senior.
And now you're teaching again.
why senior?
Because you graduated.